Um, when you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will dry them off. Hey, bonjour. Okay, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language. I was just looking down, I dropped something off my lap. About Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, sweetie. BOOZHOO, Gatkina. Hello, everyone. How you doing? Welcome back to the show. And today, I thought our Ojibwe word. What do you think, sweetie? What should the Ojibwe word be? Should we talk about something agwaching? Something outside? Agwaching. Outside. Yeah, how is it outside? It's pretty gray. It's pretty, looks like it might rain. They say it might snow. They say it's going to snow. Can you believe that, sweetie? Yeah, I know, huh? What do you think? Actually, I don't really mind. ZOOGIPON. Snow, it is snowing. But it's not snowing yet. They say it will snow. WII ZOOGIPON. It's gonna snow. WII. Alright, let's make that the Ojibwe word, huh? ZOOGIPON. Snow. And if you want to say it's going to snow, you can say WII ZOOGIPON. That means it's like in the future. And then if you want to say it snowed like in the past, you say gi ZOOGIPON. Gi ZOOGIPON, it snowed. WII ZOOGIPON, it will snow. ZOOGIPON, it is snowing. And this has been your Ojibwe word of the day. Of the day. And yeah. And Nana BOOZHOO will return after these messages. Okay, what are we even gonna do? You know what? I gotta be honest with you. I'm totally out of ideas. But yeah, but actually, I don't even think we should spend too much time even planning. It seems like these videos are best if they're just spontaneous. Yeah, I mean, let's face it. We're never gonna we're never gonna plan anything anyway. It's too fun just doing this. Okay, so that's 42 seconds. This video is pretty short, we're probably gonna run out of time. But okay. So hey, BOOZHOO ni Jona Shanabe Dog, and welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And I have a special guest today. I say that every time. I mean, how special is it really if every guest is a special guest? I have a regular guest here. Say hello, Michael. Hello, Michael. Oh, that's a good one. Now that's a pretty old one, actually. Okay, so I have a special guest here, Michael Lyons, and he's an Ojibwe language cartoonist. Michael Lyons is the author, the creator and the author of Ojiberish, the online comics. Are you still doing this even? No, actually, I haven't done any gibberish cartoons in, I don't know, probably over a year. Oh, okay. What exactly am I trying to promote here? Are you plugging a new book or anything? Nope, don't have any new books. Oh, that's not even true. What? Sorry. Yeah, we do actually have a new book. Um, and it's called, where is it here? Hold on a second. It's called Nana BOOZHOO. Nana BOOZHOO, Ojibwe words and phrases. And this is out on Amazon right now, and I don't even know how much it is. I could look it up, I suppose. I think it's like $9.50 or $10 or $12 or something. Yeah, hold on a sec, I'll just check. Marks, and then down to here it is, Amazon. It's $12. Nana BOOZHOO Ojibwe words and phrases, $12. Yeah, okay, so tell the people what they get for $12. Well, it's just how to pronounce certain Ojibwe words and phrases. Got a bunch of photographs of you, and I don't know. I think it would make a good Christmas gift. Seems like it's a good time to plug this. But I think if you're gonna make them for Christmas gifts, you should probably order pretty soon. Okay, this is probably long enough. All right. Do you wanna do your thing, and I'll whatever. Just wanna go. Yeah, I know what you're trying to say. I'm gonna do my thing. Okay. Well, hey, miigwech, Michael. Thank you for being a guest on the show, and I'll make sure I go out and buy that book. Looks pretty good to me.
Alright, I'm ready. Whenever you guys are ready.
Okay. La, 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 da, da. Hi guys. Hey, Natasha, how you doing? I'm really good. How are you? Oh, I can't complain. Makwa, you doing good? Yeah, I'm doing real good. Real good. Hey, Steven, how you doing today? I'm doing quite well, Natasha. How are you? Oh, I'm doing great. How you doing, Anamosh? Well, I'm just about right as rain, Natasha. How about yourself? I'm great.
I got my first real six string. Bought it at the 5 and dime. Played it till my fingers bled. It was the summer of '85. Me and some guys from school had a band and we tried real hard. Joey quit, Timmy got married. Should have known that we'd never get far. Oh, when I look back now, that summer seemed to last forever. And if I had my choice, yeah, I'd always wanna be there. Those were the best days of my life. Ain't no use in complaining when you got a job to do. Standing round hanging by the drive-in, and that's when I met you. Standing on your mama's porch, you told me that you'd wait forever. And when you held my hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those were the best days of my life. Yeah, we were killing time, we were young and restless, we needed to unwind. I guess nothing can last forever, forever, no. La-dee-dee-dum. In the summer of '85. That was the summer of '85.
And today it's the story of Ondeg, the crow. This is the story of Ondeg and Makwa and all the woodland animals. Once upon a time, back in the days of the grandfathers, when Kichimanadu was making all the birds, he gave them all special jobs to do. He made Migazi, the eagle, and he said, Migazi, you will be a great messenger. You will be the messenger of the people's prayers. And then he made Gekek, the hawk. And he said, Gekek, you too will be a messenger, but you will be a messenger of the people's needs. Then he made Mang, the loon. He said, Mang, you will be a teacher to the people, but you will be a teacher of love and relationships. And then he made old Ondeg, the crow. And he goes, Ondeg. And just then he gets called away. He goes, hold on, I'll be right back. But Ondeg was impatient. He couldn't wait around for Kichimanadu. He was like, oh, to heck with this. And he flew off. Well, pretty soon, Ondeg finds himself just kind of walking around the side of the road. Didn't have a job, didn't know what to do. And he sees Makwa, the bear. He goes, hey, Makwa, I don't know what my life's purpose is. Can you show me how you live? And Makwa was like, oh, for sure. So he takes him into the woods and he teaches him how to find the berries that are good to eat. And he takes him down to the river and he shows him how to fish by smacking fish right out of the water. And he takes him to the dump and he shows him where the good garbage is to eat. And finally he takes him back to his home and he says, hey, now I will teach you how to take a nap for the whole winter. Ondeg turns his head and he says, oh, what? You nap all winter long? Listen, Makwa, that may be good for you, but I don't think it's good for me. You have shown me your ways, and I respect you for it. But these are your ways, and they are not mine. I must leave you, Makwa. But let me tell you, in the spring when you wake up, we got to have dinner together, because now you are my friend. And that is why every spring, when you go down to the dump, you will see Makwa the bear eating with Ondeg the crow, for they are friends. And that is the story of Ondeg and Makwa. Hoka hey, and you have been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Higa wabamin, minawa, Hoa. And there you have it, my girl. The story of Andig and Makwa.
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Anamakika. Anamakika. Thunder. And the song is God of Thunder by Ojindam. Kiss. Alright, let's rock this thing. You got something about you. You got something I need. Daughter of Aphrodite, hear my words and take heed. I was born on Olympus, to my father a son. I was raised by the demons, chained to reign as a one. God of thunder and rock and roll. The spell you're under will slowly rob you of your virgin soul. I was lord of the wasteland, a modern day man of steel. I gathered darkness to please me. I command you to kneel before the God of thunder and rock and roll. The spell you're under will slowly rob you of your virgin soul. Oh, that was really good, sweetie. Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha on the guitar, on the guitoji gun. Oh, wow. All right.
Hey, that was great, Natasha. Well, there you have it, folks. This is Paul Stanley, and you have been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm Paul Stanley of KISS, and I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa, hoa. How was that? Oh, that was really good.
I don't know. You want to add anything to this, sweetie?
Oh, should we do the regular pitch? Tell them to sign up on Patreon and all that?
Ah, we do that every time.
All right. Now, well, why don't you just, say, you go up a minute and all that?
Okay. All right. Well, hey, I will see you again. Giga waba min. Minawa. Oh. All right, sweetie. What now?
I don't know. What do you think?
We could sing a song. We could go for a walk. I mean, it's cloudy and all that, but it's still a good day for a walk. Let's put on a windbreaker. Oh, jeez. My thing just dropped. I'm shorter now. All right. Now what? Oh, hey there. I'm short. Alright. Anything I can do? No, it's not live stream. I don't know how to riff. Okay. Okay.